Why do we say bless you when someone sneezes? When someone sneezes, we often say bless you. But have you ever wondered why? A long time ago, people believed that sneezing could release bad spirits from the body. They thought that when you sneezed, you were vulnerable to evil forces. So saying bless you was like offering protection to keep those spirits away. In fact, some cultures even believed that a sneeze might mean the soul was leaving the body for a brief moment. Saying bless you was their way of making sure the sneeze didn't bring any harm. Interesting, right? Share and subscribe for more.